In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S25 to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Samsung S25 or any other Samsung device and connect it to a MacBook. This will allow you to transfer files, videos, images, whatever you have on your Samsung's device storage to your MacBook, and this will work regardless of the model of Samsung or MacBook that you are using. To do this, you will need to download Android File Transfer. So you download this on your MacBook. As the name suggests, this will allow you to connect an Android device and transfer all of the files that you wish. So to find this, look for Android File Transfer on Google. You will arrive at android.p2hp.com, and in here click the option to download. So they will give you instructions. You open the DMG file and you drag it into Applications. So this is how it looks like. Android File Transfer, you drag it into Applications, and once this is done, you will be able to connect the Android device to your MacBook. This will be done using a cable. So after you have Android File Transfer installed within your applications on your MacBook, go ahead and connect it using a cable. Usually you will plug a USB-C cable into your Samsung device, so the Samsung S25 as the example for this video, and the other end goes into the MacBook. You can use USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A. It doesn't matter as long as you establish a connection between the Mac and the Samsung device. You can use any cable that you want to get this done. Once this connection has been established, the device should be detected, and if you have Android File Transfer open, it will immediately be detected, so all of the folders on your S25 will be displayed. So now you can browse through them like usual, and if you have any files that you would like to transfer over, just drag them or copy them into your MacBook's storage. And after it is done, the file will be transferred from the S25 to the MacBook. You can copy files back and forth, you can transfer files from the MacBook into the S25, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S25 to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.